Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Did you know that it is possible to accelerate hair growth? Many women dream of long, shiny, and soft hair. But the truth is, some of these women never got to their dream length because their hair takes too long to grow. Does it happen to you? Thinking about that, we decided to bring a natural recipe with essential oils to help you on your mission. Now you will see how you can make your hair grow faster. You will need castor oil and rosemary oil. Castor oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties and is highly recommended for hair treatments. It helps strengthen the scalp, making the new hair strands grow stronger and thicker, which makes this oil a great ally to fight hair loss. Rosemary oil, even without scientific evidence, is used by many cultures, especially in Mediterranean countries, to accelerate hair growth and fight hair loss, preventing baldness. Being antimicrobial and antioxidant, rosemary oil is capable of fighting bacteria and fungi, avoiding dandruff and other inflammations that could cause hair loss. Interesting, isn't it? But before we get to the recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It is very simple to make. You will need 1 dessert spoon of castor oil, 100% pure and natural, 5 drops of rosemary essential oil, 100% pure and natural. To make this oil that will help your hair to grow, just mix the 2 ingredients. After that, apply on your scalp, massaging gently. Let it act for at least 2 hours and then rinse. You can also sleep with this mixture in your hair and wash it in the morning. Repeat the process at least 3 times a week. So, did you like this recipe? Have you ever heard about it? Did you know that this recipe can also be used on your eyebrows and beard? Do it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.